Hey guys, Sam from BBQ here. This week I'm making pork shooters on my Pit Boss pellet grill. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first step here is to mix up our cream cheese. I'm just going to spoon in just a good helping of cream cheese. Now I've got my Cully's rub. This is a pork rub. It's a little bit spicy, but it'd be really nice in this. So I'm just adding a couple of teaspoons of the rub and I'll mix it through really well. Just keep mixing it until you get a nice smooth consistency, and then we'll put that aside. Now I've got some saveloys. These are smoked saveloys. I only need a couple. And I'll just slice that up into about 1 centimetre thick or about 1/2 inch thick. Now I've got my bacon. This is just streaky bacon. And I'm going to cut them in half because they are quite long. And just wrap around the saveloy base once. And this is just going to form kind of a little cup that we're going to then stuff with the cream cheese. So I'll just do that to all the rest and putting a toothpick in to hold them together. Then we want to get the cream cheese mixture and just spoon it into those little cups. Poke it down right into the bottom. And just fill up all the cups. Once you've done all of them, just add in a little bit of diced onion. Just sprinkle it on top. And then sprinkle on some cheddar cheese. And then finish it off with a little bit more of that rub. Now I'm out at the Pit Boss pellet grill. I've got it warmed up to 110 degrees or 225 Fahrenheit. And I'll put those pork shooters straight on the rack and we'll leave it in there for about 90 minutes. So after 90 minutes, those are looking real good. Okay, so there's our pork shooters done on the Pit Boss pellet grill. They look absolutely amazing and I can't wait to eat them. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.